One, two, three, go. Hello, it's Ron here. I want to get right into it here. Short video here. A lot of us, have been expecting the DJI Neo drone, the new drone from DJI that's been leaked and rumored all over the airways, the Twitters by such people as Igor Bog. I don't even want to mispronounce his last name, and Jasper Ellens. Igor a couple weeks ago put out a little chart showing a release date of the 20th for the Neo and the 28th for the DJI Action 5 Pro. And now this is we're on the the 19th here. We're in the day before. We got no email from DJI. Usually you get an email at least 48 hours in advance, like a new product release or hinting at a new product release. Maybe not actually saying the name of the product, but again, that hasn't happened as of about noon on the 19th. So I don't expect to see the Neo tomorrow morning on the 20th. Usually these things usually released at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time here in the U.S. So I think what this has happened to us before. The big rumored release date is a release date for the the email from DJI, the notification. They usually post a little promo video at the same time on YouTube and their social medias. So right now, I think we're going to get that. Again, I say I think. I think, but I loosely think that we'll get that email tomorrow morning at roughly 9 a.m. or about that we have a new product coming out. So that would push us back 40 hours to Thursday or maybe even later. Sometimes that email could come a week before, but let's say looks like the earliest date could be the 22nd right now, and it could be later than that. But on top of all this is what I'm saying, that usually happens here, because just because it usually happens doesn't mean it's going to happen this occasion. Other rumors out there say that the Neo has been pushed back to a September date. I've heard some say the 3rd, some say the 5th or whatever. So we got a lot of moving parts with the DJI Neo here, and almost for sure it won't be here tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. as we first suspected off of Igor's rumors. And Igor has been a pretty reliable leaker. I mean, I don't think he's got too many dates wrong. I mean, the interpretation by us is probably wrong. The date he's given, again, is the date where they announced the product, and we jump to conclusions and assume that's the date the product will be here. So we're working on that scenario first. But again, as I said, there's other rumors saying it's got pushed back to September. Why it's pushed back to September, I don't know. Whether that's kind of issues in testing with software and firmware, whether it's just a marketing department decision, I do not know. But again, I'm sorry we got you hyped up on some Drone Nation shows and things like that it would be coming on the 20th, and it looks like we're wrong here. And again, we're wrong because Igor is wrong here, on that date here. So again, and it's just, again, this happened to us before, where we went to that thing that date was a release date, but that date was the release date of the announcement of the product, not the day the product would show up. So we're kind of on holding pattern here, and we don't really know, what's going on here. It's confusing times, indeed here. So just stay tuned. Try to keep up with any kind of breaking news on this. Anything else pops up, I will try to get a video, out as quickly as I can. But I know, more details about the release date of the actual drone here. So, okay, just a quick video. I'm going to get off of here. Just, thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell, the usual stuff. And of course, we'll see you back on another video, real soon, folks. So have a great day and fly what you got now until that Neo shows up. Bye. Cut.